Hello viewers, Sunday, today is October 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. You are going to face your examination, you are going to face your challenge, you are going to face your future. October 10th, preliminary examination. So for that examination, I want to give you some tips, do's and don'ts. What you have to do, what you should not do. That I am going to discuss in this particular session. Do's and don'ts. Please don't neglect this video. Watch the complete video. You will get the tips. With the tips, at least 2 or 3 MCQs you can solve. How? We will check it. Why? To clear prelims with the confidence, first we need to have the confidence. Yes, मैं ready हूँ, जीतने के लिए मैं ready हूँ, clear करने के लिए मैं ready हूँ. That confidence you need to have. Confidence you have to carry on to maximize the course. To maximize your score, confidence is inevitable. If you don't have the confidence, you are no more in this competition. Please be confident, please be strong. That is very important thing. Do's in the examination, what you have to do? Number 1, confidence. If you have low confidence, then you question yourself. Why you are feeling low? Don't feel low. Yes, I can attempt, I can write the examination with lot of confidence. You yourself should rejuvenate the confidence in you. You have to renovate the confidence in you. Why it's low? It's all about the mindset. It's all about believe in your notes and strategy. I am telling you what you read up to now, awesome it is. You read everything. You know everything. You completed everything. Believe in your notes which you read. Believe in your mock tests which you wrote. Believe in yourself. Don't get confused if your student, if your friend is telling that I read this, you didn't read this. Don't be low. Be strong. Yes. मैं कुछ भी कंप्लीट किया, बराबर कंप्लीट किया, मैं बराबर एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में जाऊंगा और 120 मार्क्स जीएस प्रीलिम्स में लेके आऊंगा और सीसैट में भी 100 तक करके आऊंगा. That is the confidence you have to maintain. Don't be low. It's all about the mindset. Some friends will play the mind game. Don't fall in the trap. What you read, you read. Talk with the positive friends in these 3 days. Don't talk with the negative friends in these 3 days. Be away. Escape from them. Why? Because those people will be there for criticizing you, to make you low. Their target will be that. So be confident. Improve the confidence. Revise these days. What you want to revise? These 3 days, revise what you read earlier. Don't, in any cost, don't read anything new. Revise the same which you did, like previous year's questions you do. Indus Valley civilization, Vedic civilization, Jainism, Buddhism, which are most important, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, which are expected questions, those questions you read it. You repeat it, fundamental rights, DPSP, fundamental duties, which are most expected, center-state relations, which are most expected, those questions you do now. Do the revision of the previous year's questions, do the revisions of the mock test, which you already did. Now onwards, no scope for mock test, stop doing mock tests. Up to now, what you did is enough and more. If time permits, do CSAT now. CSAT also previous year's questions, 2018, 2019 and 2020 you have to do. 2018, 2019, 2020 previous year's questions you have to do of CSAT as well as GS. Solve again previous year's question. What to check? UPSC asked questions, how options were given, elimination techniques. So at least in these 3 days, find the trick, how the elimination works. What to do, how to find the right answer. When 2 are correct answer, 50% is right. Out of 4, 2 I am struck it down. So how I should come out? In our videos, 2 days back we made videos on elimination techniques. You can watch it. You will get some insights over it. Special tip, as per the topic, check previous year's questions. Like Indus Valley civilization, what questions came? Buddhism, what questions came? Jainism, what questions came? In that way, lot of books are available in the market. But I don't tell you to buy now. I think you have. So just go through it. Just go through it. Stay calm, peace, comfortable. Talk to friends, close friends, positive friends. Who are your friends? Talk with them. Don't talk with the negative people. Don't talk with the demotivators. People will be there. Haters will be there. I am telling you. For me also haters are there, for you also haters will be there. So don't be with the haters, be with the positive people. CSAT is also important. The students just do quick revision. Just do quick revision. Do like directions, data interpretation, those type of questions. Just go through it, skim through it. Now in this 2 days. Welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy. We are excited to announce the launch of our new courses. Contact us for registrations and counseling. Hard work never fails. Keep learning. Don'ts. No self-doubt at this point of time. You should not have any self-doubt. If you doubt yourself, then who will believe you, man? If you are doubting yourself, why the outsider third person will believe you? Why the second person will believe you? Don't doubt yourself. You will crack the examination. Be with the positive mind. Go with the positive attitude. You will come with a clearing attitude that yes, sir, I am going to clear the prelims, sir. Then what I should do? Chalo, mains karenge hum. Ugly mains karenge hum. Whatever I read properly. Whatever I read up to now, I read properly. No need for any value addition from other people. I read. I am comfort. I did everything. I don't want any free suggestions. I don't want any sort of advices, any types of suggestions. I read everything. Just be calm, be comfortable, be positive. That's it. Don't give any mock test now. What to do? Check answer solutions. If time is there, check answer solutions. Silly mistakes which you are doing, just remember in your mind. Silly mistakes I might do. So be careful in the examination. So find those silly mistakes. In this way, you have to be very careful. These are the don'ts. Don't steal the exam. No new current affairs. No new current affairs in any cost. Don't read any newspaper now, today, or any new current affairs not required. Don't give up. Last year only 92 was the cutoff. Remember this, my dear friends. Last year, Khali, 92 was the cutoff. Even margin is enough. Means 100 marks is enough. 101 marks is enough. Be strong. 92 was the cutoff. You can crack the examination. Think in that way. Think in that way. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. And this is your examination hall. I hope our examination hall will not be this much neat, but still this is our examination hall. Think the motivation which you got from your parents. Think the motivation which you got from your teachers, mentors, from yourself. This is the examination. This is the day. This is the final day. October 10th. Be prepared. You will crack the examination. 9:30 to 11:30, 2:30 to 4:30. These 2 days, do CSAT also. Skim fast. If you don't know now, leave it. Don't worry on that. If something ho gaya, wo chhod do. Be strong. And final ritual, checklist. This is the ritual. 1 day before, sleep early. Minimum by 10 o'clock. Minimum by 10 p.m. Have light food. Have light food. Yes, 100%. Have light food. Check exam center before day. Check exam center before day. Why? Because we will be confused in the morning. Mainly non-locals should go examination center 1 day before. Stay in a hotel. For the exam, take hall tickets 2, take pens 2 or 3, take water bottle, mask and sanitizer is important, and chocolate or ORS bottle which is optional. For traditional or for those people I am telling this, you can take a chocolate or ORS. Chocolate by means it will rejuvenate the senses. It will renovate the senses. So these are the things, these are the checklist which you have to do before the examination hall. So you are the winner, you are going to be the winner. My dear students, my dear friends, my dear viewers, be strong. You will come up with the flying colors. If you have the confidence, be brave. Everyone, the next question should be how to prepare for the mains but not for the prelims. All the best. Jai Hind. Welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy. We are excited to announce the launch of our new courses. Contact us for registrations and counseling. Hard work never fails. Keep learning.